Hello guys, I just got a new update on an AI walkthrough. What you need to do is simply to segment and make corrections on an AI work, and they're going to pay you instantly into your wallet. I have a work of $40 here, $60 here, $52 here. Only what you need to do is to be able to perform a simple task. Now let me show you an instance. So this is an instance of a 40 USDT work. So they are looking for an emotionally distressed clinical specialist on a safety net. Right here, all you need to do is to act like you are being depressed. You understand me? You act like you are in any emotional problem or something like that. Now this will help AI to know how to respond when they meet people that are depressed. You understand? Now you have a compensation, and this compensation varies. For instance, acting like a professional emotional distress client, you're going to be paid 40 USD. Okay, so 40 USD per work. Now every work that you do here, you're getting 40 USD instantly. That is how simple. So I've been dropping a lot of updates right here, so this shouldn't be a kind of new to you guys. Okay, so there are a lot of works right here. Just go ahead, check it out. Or anything that you are doing, or whether you're a teacher, whether you're a freelancer, whether you're doing coding, you must find a work right here. All you need to do is just to calm down and look for a work. Okay, now let me talk about how you can register. The registration process is simple. You can just use your email. Okay, once you use your email, you're going to receive a code on the email. Copy that code, paste it in, use your full name, and that is it. Now when you're applying for the work, you are going to need your CV. Let me show you an instance. So for instance, I'm applying for this work. This is an emotional distress role. Now let me look for another one. So this is a nutritional expert, like someone that knows everything about food. You see how simple it is? You're going to be paid $60 instantly if you're able to pass this test. Now right here, what you're going to do is to just to ask you some certain things that you need. No, AI cannot find out a lot about humans on their own, so they need people to ask about some certain things. So if you're an institutional expert, you can be able to apply right here and you get paid instantly. So for instance, when you are applying here, all you need is your CV right here. So what you need is your CV or your resume. You're going to insert your LinkedIn URL. The URL code on the back section. So I will show you on the screen right here. So this is the URL code on the back section of your LinkedIn. All you need to do is to copy it and paste it right here. Input the city you are in. So don't be scared whether you are in Nigeria, South Africa, any country you are in. It doesn't matter the country that you are in. Okay, so you are going to be paid. If it is a $60 work, you're going to be paid $60 instantly. Okay, so no matter the country you are in, you are verified for this job. Okay, so right here is if you are prominent in English. One thing about this is that you have to be frequent, like very frequent in English. So if you're frequent in English, you have to click it right here and go ahead and submit all these files. Answer these questions, then click on the submit application. Now one thing else is that this is not a job that you can work with AI. Other jobs that I showed you, I told you that yes, I use my AI to run an editing the video and submit it. But if you are doing right here, you are not going to use any AI. You're just going to deal with your clear knowledge, like what you have on any field that you are selecting. So make sure that you don't use any AI, whether it's ChatGPT, anything. If they're asking you any question, don't even use any AI. Use your normal senses. Like if you're acting like an emotionally depressed person, just act like the person. Okay, if you are working on a clinic, like it's under clinic, or whether it's a role play or anything, just use AI, act normal, and you are getting to get your pay. If they notice that you use AI in any stuff that you use or in any job that you do, you will not be paid well. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you have any question, go ahead and ask me on the comment section, and don't forget to go ahead and subscribe in this YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and do well to like this video. So if you want to join us on our daily trade, I do drop daily signals right there on Telegram, so make sure that you are here on Telegram to trade with us. So see you guys on our next video.